We have a new multi-organization feature for group companies and accountants who manage payroll for multiple organizations. To add another organization, you first save the organization and enter the KRA name. Under Settings, you will find the Organization section where you can upload a company logo. Each organization maintains its own distinct payroll, employees, leave management, and reports. However, for subscription purposes, we look at the total number of employees across all organizations. Under the Organization settings, you can manage standard details and logos, which will appear on the pay slips. You can delete an organization, but the system will prevent this if the organization contains any existing data. We also have a new team feature that allows you to assign roles and make other team members admins. Additionally, we have introduced approvals for running payroll. You can choose single approval, where a normal admin submits the payroll and the main admin approves it. There is also a dual approval option where you specify a first and second approver. That is the new multi-organization feature. We hope you like it, and we will continue to improve it.